Hello everyone, in this video we're taking a look at InVideo AI. InVideo AI is an AI-powered online video creation platform tailored for marketers, educators, content creators, and social media users. It converts texts and scripts into polished videos, offering templates, voiceovers, stock media, and AI-powered automation. You can pass a blog or prompt and automatically generate a script, visuals, voiceover, and editing flow, ideal for turning written content into videos quickly. You can have access over 5,000 customizable templates and millions of stock images, footage, and music. It includes premium iStock access depending on plan. So create voiceovers that sound close to natural, clone your own voice, and generate subtitles in 50+ languages. You have the flexibility to drag and drop workflow with transitions, resizing for social media formats, and prompt-based tweaks like removing scenes or changing accents. It has also auto-adapt layout for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, so it's beginner-friendly and fast, time and cost-saving, robust AI automation, rich media library, and value for money. But talking about the cons, content can feel repetitive or templated without mere manual tweaks or unique branding. It has the free and lower tier plans, restrict export frequency, and AI generation minutes. Also, no frame-by-frame control, fine control, or color correction or complex motion tracking, less suited for high-end production, and prompt-based revisions can be hit or miss, and AI sometimes misinterprets instructions. So, InVideo AI is a powerful and user-friendly tool for rapid video content creation. Its combination of text-to-video, fast template library, and AI supports makes it ideal for marketers, educators, small businesses, and casual creators looking to produce engaging videos quickly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.